1. Know your big why objectives. One of the most important steps for beginners is to understand what your fitness objectives are and ultimately, why it is you want to build your fitness. Do you want to get stronger? Lose weight? Tone up? Is your new fitness journey part of a larger self-care lifestyle change? Or are you simply wanting to take better care of your body? Whatever your reasons, knowing and understanding your motive for building up your fitness levels is a fantastic way to stay focused, so even if a workout feels tough or you're not in the mood for exercising, you can remind yourself of just why it is you're making these changes. Your big why is your key motivator and your purpose for exercising, keeping you inspired as you get stronger, fitter and as you build your confidence. Once you know this, then you can move on to the next step. 2. Set fitness goals. So now you know why it is you want to work on your fitness, next you need to think about how you're going to achieve this. If you want to get stronger, then you could consider resistance or weight training. If you want to be able to move further and faster, then you can work on your speed, cardio endurance and power. If your muscles feel tight, then mobility and flexibility movements and taking adequate rest can help you. You can then set your fitness goals. We always recommend setting small, simple goals to start with. If you're a total beginner, then you could find one of the following helpful. 1. 15 minutes of yoga every day. This is a great place to start as you'll begin to loosen up any tightness in your body and start building mobility and strength. 2. Learn to plank for 60 seconds. There are many different plank variations you can try, and by practicing every day, you'll be able to increase your time and build up your core and upper body strength. 2. Perhaps see if you can get to a 60 seconds plank over the course of a month. 3. Couch to 5K. Gently improve your running ability week by week with a 5K plan. 3. Our 5K training plan is a great place to start, with lots of tips for getting started over the course of 6 weeks. 4. Commit to 3 gym sessions a week. Head to the gym for at least 30 minutes, 3 times a week, and you'll start to feel a difference in no time. 4. We have plenty of options for shorter exercises, like these 10-minute mini workouts, that you can combine, or perhaps consider signing up to fitness classes for extra motivation. Another great approach to staying focused on your fitness is to plan a sporting event, or chosen date to have achieved a fitness goal. So, sign up to a 5K run, commit to being able to complete 10 push-ups by your next birthday, or to have completed 12 workouts over the next month. Check out our How to Set Fitness Goals guide for more tips and advice. 3. Make small, achievable changes. Getting healthy starts at home, and even if the thought of stepping foot in a gym still feels intimidating, then there are plenty of changes you can make to your daily routine that can positively impact your fitness. Identify small opportunities to improve your health. Individually they might not seem like a big deal, but when they're grouped together, they can have a massive impact. Make a list of small changes you can do right now. For example, 1. Take the stairs instead of the lift. Walk or cycle to work, to the shops, or simply for fun. 2. Park further away from the door. 3. Do squats while you brush your teeth. 4. Dance while you're cooking dinner.